Hello, welcome to another episode. In today's detailed unboxing, we have magnetic filters from URTH. Let's dive in. In this unboxing, I'm checking out the URTH Magnetic Lens Filters Essentials Kit. This set includes 4 high-quality filters, a UV filter, a CPL circular polarizer filter, an ND8 filter, and ND1000 filter. These filters attach easily to your lens with a magnetic system, making it super quick to swap during the shots. The filters are made from premium Japanese optical glass for superior clarity and are designed with a multi-resistant coating to protect against scratches, dirt, and water. I use URTH filters on all my lenses. In my next video, I'll be demonstrating how these filters can elevate your photography and videography. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions about the magnetic filters, drop them in the comment sections down below. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and remember to give it a thumbs up if you like the video. In today's really short and detailed episode, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!